Hi! In front of me is Vivo Y52 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. First of all, go into menu. Now you need to find Recorder app and click on it. Then choose Allow and tap on this red button to start a recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you wish to end your recording and save it, click on the square button over here, and as you can see, mine was successfully created. If you wish to rename it, you need to click on this pen icon over here. Type wherever you want to. And save your changes by tapping on OK. Then, if you wish to delete your recording, you can always tap on this bin icon over here and tap on Remove. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!